Hi friends, my name is Frederic Chen and I today, and I'm joined with the one and only Quinoa. Cut.
Yeah, what?
and I'm here with my fellow camerawoman, Quinoa.
Hello.
She's my podcast co-host. She is my best friend, unfortunately, and I have to room with her for the next 2 weeks because of Miss Rona.
You know we met 1 year ago on this day.
Today's our 1 year anniversary.
Today's our 1 year anniversary.
So, I think it's nice to celebrate something, do something special because it's our 1 year anniversary. And, oh, by the way, yes, I did cut my hair. If you haven't seen that video. I wanted to do something special because Hannah at the moment, which was your original roommate, has to quarantine because she has Miss Rona. Emma, my roommate, also has Miss Rona. We need some uplifting. So, today we're going to Casa Les Merveilles de Cucci. You said Dre.
It said DU.
Oh, do. Oh, it looks like an R and an E.
I learned cursive in 3rd grade.
An
What do you
R
want
and
from
an
me?
E? That's not how you do it. Okay. Les Merveilles du Cucci. Which, if you don't know what that stands for, the wonders of the coochie. Get demonetized. Today we have la guacamole and chips, les ensaltades saltines, and our main course is, you spell gourmet wrong.
Okay. I don't need this.
La gourmet sausage in buns, Asterix, add vegan, chili, and cheese. For dessert, les chocolat chip cookies, la frozen fruit, and drinks, la flat Coca-Cola, la what? Oh, l'eau is water. She doesn't know French. I do. But
You make sure everyone knows.
Yeah. We just didn't feel like doing actual French. So, without further ado, we should probably give our menu to our guests. This is how we deliver food. Take a look at it. I need a pot this size, right?
Yeah.
Not good?
I don't know, you're the chef.
Oh, rest in peace.
There's like a million of those around the house.
I saw one yesterday in my room. We also need... Oh, sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Oh, maybe we should add a lime in here, right?
You're the chef.
That's someone else's lime. I don't want to take theirs. Where is my lemon water? Hello? Am I blind? Where did you hide it?
I didn't hide it. Maybe Emma took it.
That's just not true. Did you take it? Oh, wait. We're gonna use some butter. Maybe we should put mayo in there.
You're the chef.
I'm just asking for input, Jesus. Let's use the rest of my mayo. So we've gotten permission from Emma herself to use our vegan meat. So it's gonna be very hearty. Chili powder, obviously. Garlic. Oh, bay leaves.
Sound like a white person.
Oh my god. You act like it's not good. Seasoned salt, cumin, some brown sugar. Now over here, pinto beans, black beans. We're using these beans.
Yeah, you can.
Cornelli, Car Delevingne beans.
Canelli.
Cara Delevingne.
Cara Delevingne is a top.
No. Oh, thank you for promoting our podcast. Go watch it right here. Crushed tomatoes, the rest of this vegetable broth. So, I don't really know how to do this. I've never done it before, but I don't think chili is hard. You just...
What do you mean? You said you made it this summer. Or you said you wanted to make it.
Yeah, I just
Okay.
wanted to make it.
My bad, my bad.
Do we have peppers? Red peppers?
No.
Okay.
We have onions if you need it. There should be a cut one on the bottom shelf where my stuff is. Is that enough?
That's good, that's good. Perfect. The recipe, I'll link it down here. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2. Okay. And I'm also gonna add the rest of my butter because I don't want to use it anymore. Come on, girl. There you go. How can I be called a chef if I don't even...
Cook.
Shut up! This is Frederic's vegan kitchen now.
Aren't we making hot dogs?
This part is vegan.
Okay.
I never said I was a strict vegan. In a large Dutch oven or heavy bottom pot over medium heat, warm the olive oil until simmering. Talent. Shimmering? What does that mean? Until the olive oil shimmers?
Maybe it just means like...
Until it's gay.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I gotta add a chopped onion. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Chop off the butt.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get myself to cry.
Why?
For the camera. I like feeling the fantasy, you know? Like, I'm a single... Not anymore, but...
Oh.
Like, say I was single and I'm just by myself. Music starts playing in the background, like classical soft music. And just start crying while chopping onions, but it's not the only reason I'm crying. It's because I don't have a boyfriend. It's not working. This onion is not right.
What do you mean? It's an onion.
It's supposed to make me cry.
I think it's a sweet onion. Was that too spicy for you?
Ah! Get a close up of this. Get a good sound. It's shimmering, which means it's time to put it in. I hear you, girl. So we just let that cook down for around 7 to 10 minutes. How long does is all the knife action you're getting today. So it's been 7 minutes already, and you can hear it sizzling. Starting to caramelize. It's not burning. Don't look at that. Don't look too close. Don't look too close. I've lowered the heat a little bit, and I'm now going to read my instructions. You have to add the garlic, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and oregano until it's fragrant. And I started chopping the garlic, but I wanted to give you one last shot just for the views, you know? I'm really nervous when chopping garlic, so I do it kind of slowly. And this knife isn't the best for it, but it's what we're dealing with. Oh.
Did you cut yourself?
No, I just cut some of my nail polish off.
Awesome.
Put it in.
You okay? Did you cut yourself?
A little bit.
We're learning.
Ow.
Oh. Do I need to get a band-aid?
Yeah. She's recovered. Now we need to add all our spices.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's also burning. We put 4 cloves of garlic. Now we need 2 tablespoons chili powder. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. That's basically...
Teaspoons or tablespoons?
Basically a tablespoon. We don't have paprika. We have some oregano. Oh, my nail. I just painted them this morning. That's not gonna work. The garlic's burning.
I think it's okay. The oregano's just for like extra stuff. As long as you have like the important stuff.
Where's my knife?
Oh my god. Stubborn.
See? Alright. Once that's done, we add the diced tomatoes and the juices. I like crushed tomatoes more. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you cut yourself?
No, my nails.
Oh.
I want to ruin my nails. I don't care if I cut myself. Girl.
She's gooey.
It said drain the beans, but I don't think you can even drain these.
Yeah, you can. You just put them in the strainer and then you rinse them with water.
Oh.
But I mean, it's fine.
Is it?
It is.
Oh, this is a no-name brand, by the way. I bought this a long time ago before the fiasco came out. Please don't cancel me. This man work. Alright.
You know what you can do to strain it? Just like barely put the top, yeah. Just,
know.
well, you didn't do for the black beans.
Because there wasn't any juice for that one. Ooh. That's so wet. Like, what's bad about bean juice?
Nothing's bad about bean juice. Sometimes you just don't want the bean juice.
And one more stack of beans.
Yes.
Ooh, reactions like a cat. Yeah. Rawr. XD.
She got that juicy.
Oh. Ew. I promise I'll clean this up.
I believe you. If you don't, I'll remind you.
Yeah.
Went down.
What just happened?
She said, I'm going down.
I think she's just attracted to this ass.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, so we're just gonna add some bay leaves in there, just like 2. Get away from there, you're gonna burn.
So, does
What?
it just simmer now?
Yeah, for like 30 minutes, but I'm not done adding stuff.
Oh, okay.
What was this? Oh, basil. I want a black pepper instead. Mayonnaise.
That's so
What?
Nothing.
That's not. Oh, you said WAP?
Yeah. I'm actually very excited for this.
Me too. And then just put the rest of this vegetable broth in. Now that's a WAP.
Do you have to cook it first and then put it in? Or is it like you put it in and it cooks with
Well, it's
it?
not meat.
I know. I don't know. It's probably just beans. That's a lot.
Alright, so I'm gonna let this simmer for 30 minutes until it gets more chunky and cooks down, and then we'll be ready to serve.
Oh, there you are.
Hi.
Can you smell what we're cooking?
Nothing.
Alright.
I don't know anything.
That is a WAP.
That is nice.
Alright, I wanna get a taste. It's been around like, I'd say 20 minutes. I washed all the dishes. Still have a paper cut. The meat, I should have chopped it first
Oh,
before I
yeah.
put it in because it was just like a big clump of soy. Okay, that soup part is good. Ah!
Hot.
I know. Oh, by the way, this is my sourdough bread. New video coming soon. Let me know if you want it. Oh,
What?
that's a cow.
Really?
That's a fucking cow. You need to try it. Here. It's like straight up a
It's like hamburger meat.
It's a cow. Oh, it is. That's what it's meant for.
Bitch, I'm a cow. Isn't that a song?
Yeah. Doja Cat. I'm very happy with it.
Me too.
It says you can blend 1/4 of it or 1/3 of it and then put it back in to get that more chili texture. I'm debating whether or not I should do that or not. That requires me doing more work. Alright, I'll do that.
Okay.
But once it's done cooking. So, cut. Cut the cameras.
Action.
We're rolling.
Yes.
Come take a look.
Wow. That looks very good. Oh. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So you have to take out the bay leaves because we don't want our customers
We don't want
to
our
eat
COVID
a
patients.
whole leaf. Disgusting.
It's not like she'll taste it. Is it good?
It's so good. Oh, and for anyone who puts like carrots, corn in here, you're disgusting.
Why?
It's gross.
Why is it gross?
It's just gross. I don't like the idea of putting like
So
corn.
you don't like it?
Yeah, but so does everyone else.
I don't think so. So we unpacked that, and it stems from your trauma.
Oh,
Or-
you can't digest corn. Why do we eat it?
Okay. I thought you said children watch you.
That's on parenting. I don't plan to be one anytime soon.
Anytime soon.
Oh, shut up. I meant I'll have children in form of cats.
Oh.
Do you think we need to blend it?
Honestly, no, but I'm wondering what it's gonna do to it.
Okay, for some reason when it's in here, it looks like vomit. You want to put a good, like, fourth of it in. Look at this, I cleaned all the dishes. Look at this, look at all this work I did.
Proud of you.
Wife me up. Just a little blitz. What are you doing? Oh, it's worse.
It's like hissing at you.
I think it's because it's hot air.
Oh.
Now look at it. That looks a little better.
Oh yeah, that's chilly.
Alright. Oh my god. I did it. Oh my god.
So good, I'm gonna leave.
You know when people do like, that?
Yeah.
Me with this right now. Don't give them ideas. I'm taken. Stop it. Stop! It's not for free.
How much?
Oh, $100 minimum. For the...
Minimum?
Yeah.
I was gonna say 500.
I'm a celebrity.
You're like a D-list celebrity.
Okay, 1,000 then.
Are you gonna do like a taste test?
I already did.
Oh.
I made out with it.
Okay. Don't cut your tongue.
I know. I want you to know, I'm cooking this for the rest of my life. What is this? It's so good.
Some people don't like the texture. Like some people don't like sloppy joe, but
Sloppy
like
Joes
I
are so
love sloppy
good, though.
joes.
It's
Yeah.
just a southern thing then. Alright.
Yeah.
Well, this is the end of the video, because the rest of the segment is not vegan. I'm amazing. I know. If you enjoyed, give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe for more videos every week, subscribe to our podcast channel, subscribe to my second channel, check out our merch. Oh, hit that bell notification, and as always, I love you guys, and everything is less than 3. Does that feel good? Yeah?
Okay. Cut!